This anti-aging device for lifting and firming your skin will be a game changer for your beauty routine. This tool has 6 different frequencies for different aspects of your skin: cleaning, penetration, lifting, beauty, special, and cool. I love that this product is rechargeable and they include the cord to be able to do that quickly and easily. This tool is designed to quickly activate the collagen in your skin, smooth wrinkles, and make your skin look full. In addition, it's equipped with an intelligent thermostatic system to accelerate the absorption of your favorite beauty creams. It uses the power of positive and negative ions, as well as 4 different skincare lights that operate on different frequencies to provide different effects. Then after each treatment, it's recommended that you switch to cooling mode easily with the button provided so that you can cool and close all of the pores on your face. It's a really great tool to help you feel beautiful and help your skin look its best. Use it every day for best results.